Imagine missing several HOA payments. One day, a certified letter arrives. The association says your account is delinquent and additional action may follow. For many homeowners, this is the first warning sign that the issue is becoming serious. HOA assessments are different from optional services. When you buy property in an HOA, paying assessments becomes part of the legal obligations attached to ownership. Those assessments help fund maintenance, insurance, landscaping, utilities, reserves, and community operations. Missing them doesn't just create a bill, it can trigger a formal collections process. A lien is a legal claim against property. It does not mean the HOA owns your home. It does not mean you are being evicted. Instead, it creates a recorded claim for money allegedly owed, a legal marker attached to the property itself. Think of it as a financial hold that can affect what you can do with the property until the amount is resolved. Liens matter because they can complicate future transactions. If you try to sell or refinance your property, the lien may need to be resolved before the transaction can move forward. In many cases, unpaid amounts and fees are collected at closing. That means even if you weren't in a rush to resolve the issue, a sale or refinance can force the matter. Every state is different, but many associations follow a process that begins with missed payments and late fees. If the balance remains unpaid, collection notices may follow. Eventually, some associations may record a lien, and only after multiple additional legal steps would foreclosure even become a possibility. Understanding where you are in that process matters. Each stage carries different implications. Usually not. Most states require notices, waiting periods, or specific procedures before a lien can be recorded. Association governing documents may also contain additional requirements beyond state law. That means there are typically multiple opportunities to resolve the balance before a lien is ever filed. That's why understanding your state's rules and reading every notice you receive is important. Homeowners don't always fall behind because they're irresponsible. Unexpected medical expenses, job loss, or a large special assessment can create real financial pressure. Many communities have encountered these situations, and some have programs or payment plans specifically designed to help owners work through them. If your situation changed unexpectedly, communicating with the association early is almost always better than waiting. If you receive a lien notice, don't ignore it. Review the amount being claimed and verify your account history. Check that the fees and assessments listed are accurate. Contact the association or management company to understand your options. Many communities offer payment plans or other arrangements before disputes escalate further. Acting early, even if you can't pay the full balance immediately, is almost always better than waiting. A lien and foreclosure are not the same thing. A lien is often one step in a longer collections process, not the end of it. Foreclosure generally requires additional legal procedures and may be limited or restricted by state law. In many states, the HOA must wait a significant period, meet minimum balance thresholds, or follow specific legal steps before foreclosure can even be initiated. The exact rules vary significantly across the country. Can your HOA put a lien on your house? In many states, yes. But a lien is not the same as losing your home. It is often the beginning of a process, one that gives homeowners multiple opportunities to resolve the issue before it goes further. The most important thing is understanding how that process works in your state and addressing problems early before they grow larger. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Community Living for more practical HOA education. And check out our other videos on what happens when you stop paying HOA dues and what your HOA can actually fine you for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.